Marami pa rin sa atin yung akala nila is yung homepage and yung landing page ay isa. Kasi sa isang website, di ba, ang front page ay alam nila na yun na yung landing page. Pero hindi nila alam na magkaiba yung purpose nito. So in today's video guys, I will share some knowledge, tips, and examples kung ano ba yung differences talaga ng isang homepage at ng isang landing page. At as a web designer like you, paano mo ba magagamit yung dalawang ito at para na rin sa client mo? So let's go! If you're new to this channel, I'm Franz Escolastico. I am a UI and UX designer and a no-code developer here in the Philippines. So let's start with the homepage. So yung homepage, ito yung overview ng iyong website. Iyon yung starting point or your main page. So nandun lahat ng info about all of the pages that you have. So for example, on your portfolio website, so sa homepage, nandun yung about yourself, nandun yung brief introduction ng yung portfolio, yung work mo, and nandun yung mga services that you're offering. So it serves as the guiding page para ma-explore ng isang users yung iba't ibang pages ng iyong website. So one of the, I think, good example of a website is yung Apple. Kasi nasa yung homepage nila, nandun yung mga different products nila. And if you want to explore more, di ba, there's a button there that it will guide you to a different page para ma-explore more of that product. For example, the latest iPad or the latest MacBook, di ba? And other SaaS website rin or any brochure type of website, homepage nila is nandun lahat ng brief overview ng different pages nila. So let's move forward guys with the landing page. So ito na yata yung kind of site or kind of page na yung mga clients is hindi nila nabibigyan ng importance kasi akala nila is parang homepage lang siya and basta merong silang info dun sa page na yun is okay na. Most especially sa mga startup or yung mga coaches or yung nag-offer ng mga products and even yung mga as web designers, yung mga freelancers. Pero sobrang halaga ng isang landing page and even myself, I will soon create my own landing page aside from my rebranded website. So yung landing page, ito yung standalone web page created specifically for marketing or advertising campaign. So may single focus objective siya. Yun yung mga call to action button or call to action text or call to action message, ganyan. So it's a long page, standalone page, na ang aim niya is for you or for the user to click that button or for that call to action message. For example, you have a beauty product, single beauty product, and doon mo di-discuss lahat ng benefit ng product na yon. Benefits or maybe features ng product na yon, or andun lahat ng problem solving rin. For example, sa aging, di ba? So most of like me, nasa mid-30s na. So we're looking for something na, na you will look young. So dun sa page na yon, nandun lahat ng problem ng isang like me na nasa mid-30s and the solution itself. And syempre, mag-scroll ka kasi nakikita mo na, okay, maganda pala tong product na to and parang nahuhook si user, di ba? And there will be button like try that product or may promotion. So yun yung landing page. So it aims to hook the user to subscribe or to buy that specific product. So landing page, yung main purpose niya is convert visitors into leads or customers. yun nga, promote a specific product, service, or campaign. Usually, yung landing page, wala siyang footer like yung you will overview ng different pages. Wala rin siyang header or yung navigation kasi nga wala siyang different pages. Although there are some landing page na they have a navigation, but if you scroll like say about, it will just scroll down to that specific section. So ang aim ng landing page is to distract to other pages, ganyan. Kasi merong mga website or merong mga clients or companies na they have like landing page and iba pa yung website mismo nila. So like maybe on the footer, if they want to learn more, they can, they can scroll more or explore more of their main website. So yung common na examples na I think that I saw before is the MailChimp, the HubSpot. Like if you are a first-time subscriber with their platform, pag kinlik mo yung website nila, merong landing page na you will try or you will subscribe for their newsletter. And also, there are some product rin na they're encouraging you to try their beta, mga ganong type of businesses or website. More example is yung mga events, 'di ba? One pager lang siya. The aim of that is yung campaign for you to attend their online seminar, online webinar, and kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha mo in attending that event, or syempre yung mga guest speaker. So again guys, yung homepage, it provides an overview of the website and it guides the users to different pages of the website. While a landing page, yung target niya is to convert the customers into leads. Standalone page, so no other pages siya. And it has a laser-focused action. Yung call to action nga or call to action button dun sa whole landing page. So if you're a web designer and you're planning to offer web services to clients, so might as well study muna yung needs nila, yung problems nila before nyo i-offer yung whole website. Kasi guys, hindi naman lahat kailangan ng whole website, most especially those startup na kailangan lang nila is marketing materials or promotional page. So, mas maganda na pag-aralan nyo mabuting landing page and kung paano nyo i-offer yon sa inyong prospect clients. Okay? So, I hope guys you learned something new to this video about differences of homepage and a landing page. And again, you know the drill, subscribe and follow for more tips regarding website. And on the next video, might as well I'm going to create a landing page, a design website to landing page of a real client. So, stay tuned and bye-bye!